Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on an Isomac. We replaced the gauge, we did some work on the group head, we even put a new red light in to indicate when the water tank is empty. A new pressure stat, and it's sitting right at a nice pressure. Says 2, feels the pump, and this also indicates the pressure in the group head. There we go, we have a nice shot coming out. Let's see. Oh yeah. Machine's at an angle, so it's got a little bit of a flow, but it cut real nice. Nice exhaust. Anyway, let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. The hot water. Nice and smooth. Just the machine's asking for water. It's also reheating just a little bit there. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.